There are many seasons on earth, but my favorite season is rainy season. But due to heavy rainfall, many trees fall, crops get destroyed, shade of the houses fly away. Rain can also cause floods. They can also destroy our surroundings. All of us love to play in rain. In the region of sea, due to rain, cyclone arrives. The process of rainfall is called evaporation. But crops are also grown by rain. We get drinking water from rain. When rain is falling, the smell of mud gives us freshness. In the morning, in the early morning of the rainy day, the dewdrops of leaves and flowers look so pretty. People love to go to different places in the rainy season, especially under waterfall. When rain falls, all our surroundings become green. Rain also clears throat. That is why rain is my favorite season.